Hello everybody, this here is my Ruger 1022, and in this video I'm going to show you how I made my index finger magazine release. It is super ergonomic and it's available in both left and right hand configurations. This magazine release has plenty of access to the crossbolt safety. And if you can reach the crossbolt safety with your index finger, you can reach the magazine release. You can do all this without changing grip on your right hand. Unlike the competition, this magazine release doesn't have a tab on the other side. I'm a right-hand shooter and I've installed the right-handed configuration. The push tab is only on the right-hand side. That leaves the left-hand side flush. So if I were to have this rifle on a sling, I would have this side of the rifle against my body. Any clothing or straps or any other gear would not snatch on that tab and have accidentally released the magazine. If you're a left-handed shooter, make sure you install the left-handed configuration. With the left-handed configuration, the tab will be on the left-hand side and the right-hand side will be flush. The release paddle here comes in 3 different sizes: small, medium, and large. What's installed here is the medium. The large one will be a little bit longer and the short one will be a little bit shorter than this one. 3D print the magazine release as well as the paddle of your choice. Here are all the print settings that I used. Then remove all the support material and use a sharp knife to clean off all the edges. Source 1 screw and 1 nut. I'll make these available with a link in the description below off of my website. There's a slot here on the release lever where you can drop the nut. Line up the hole. Grab the paddle of your choice. There's a little stud right here. Insert it inside that hole and line up the hole. Next, grab your screw and an Allen wrench and install the paddle on the release lever. Snug tight. Now it's ready for installation. Installation is very simple. Take your barreled action off of the stock. Mine's the takedown model, so I won't have the barrel. Apply a little bit of pressure on the little dome piece right there, and then use a pin to push out the magazine release pin. Remove the old magazine release. Swap it with the new one. Doing this while applying pressure on the magazine latch. Reinstall the pin. And now we're done. This barreled action, or in my case just the action with the trigger group, is ready to be reinstalled back onto the stock. That's it everybody. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. And be sure to check out the rest of the content on my channel, including the extended charging handle, as well as the dual mag coupler. Take care everybody.